Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be doing this Valentine's Day really deep red maroon look. So hope you guys really enjoy it. So starting off, I will be using this Norvina Volume 1 palette and going to start using this color red on my lid using this flat brush from Sigma Beauty. I will leave everything down below. So yeah, I'm packing it all over my lid. And I'm taking a Luxie blending brush and going to diffuse the color all over my crease so it looks really blended and no harsh lines. So next color will be this dark brown color on the top of the black color. So yeah, I'm taking the same flat brush from Sigma and deepening up my lid so it looks like a maroon. Diffusing the color using the same Luxie brush and taking a clean brush from Morphe. It's their M433 brush and diffusing the crease. So now I'm taking this black color and going to use this shader brush to apply it on my lash line so it looks really dark on my lashes. So back and forth I'm dragging it on my crease and diffusing on my lash line. And taking this brush again and diffusing the black color with the red. And now I'm taking some wipes from Neutrogena and going to clean up my corners so it doesn't look messy. And I'm going to take this Shaunz Beauty lashes in Shelly. It's one of my favorite style from them and they are so affordable. Check out her website. I will leave it on the description box. And the next I'm moving on to the face. I'm using this Touch in Soul primer in No Problem. And I'm taking this Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation in Cafe. And yeah, I'm just applying this with the best of foundation brush from Amazon. As you can see, you don't need that much of the foundation. One pump goes long way. It's really good foundation. I really love it. And the next product I will be using is this Huda Beauty Stantor in medium. So yeah, this is a cream to powder contour. So I'm using this on the cheekbones, on the forehead and on my jawline. I have seen that if I apply the contour in the jawline, my jaw area looks really sharp and snatched. So yeah, if you are round face like me, this trick will work really well for you too. And I'm taking this Huda Beauty's Overachiever Concealer in Toasted Almond. And yeah, applying this on my under eyes, on the nose and on the forehead, mouth area. So this concealer dries very fast, so I will leave the nose contour for a little bit, but I will blend out the face contour and the concealer fast so it doesn't dry out on the face. I'm using also the Real Techniques sponge to blend out everything so everything looks really smooth and blended. So the last step will be the nose contour. And now I'm using this butter bronzer from Physician Formula and setting all over my face. Even though I don't need it, but I felt like I need a little bit more dimension. And the next step will be this translucent powder from Laura Mercier. So I'm taking this translucent powder on my hand as well so it doesn't look too much. So yeah, I'm applying it softly and dabbing it on my under eyes, on the hollows of my cheeks and on the nose, especially where I get a little bit blotchy throughout the day. And the next step will be this Laura Geller Gilded Honey baked blush, and yeah, I'm applying it on my and taking a fluffy brush to blend out everything so there's no powder on my face. And taking this Coverfx setting spray, it's the luminizing setting spray, one of the best. And I'm taking this cream to powder highlight from Collab makeup, it's called Space Cadet. Applying it on the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and forehead. This is one of my favorite highlighters right now, it looks so good. And taking this liquid lipstick from Toofaced, it's called Drop Dead Red, and yeah, I'm applying it on my lips so it looks very monochromatic with my eye makeup. And yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys really enjoyed my Valentine's Day look. I did this on Thursday, so we went out to eat and stuff, but yeah, this was my look. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.